Hey guys, CNG Sports Cards here, and we are back with another box break. And we are ripping today Bowman Chrome 2014. And in this box, I'm looking for one on-card autograph. I think it's on-card. But here, they don't really have, nope, never mind. They don't tell you what you can get in this box. But 18 packs and 4 cards per pack. And this is 2014, if I not already said that. So we're going to look for the top rookies. This man on the cover, Clowney, Odell Beckham, Mike Evans, Bortles, Carr. So, nice draft class. And we also be ripping this at the end, 2017 Gold Rush Football. One BGS Gem Mint or PSA graded card. And if you didn't saw my my recap video, this is what I pulled out of those Gold Rush packs. Barry Sanders, Jerome Bettis auto 215, this sick prism of Ben Roethlisberger, and Derek Carr rookie. So we'll save that for last. So let's get right into it. The Bowman Chrome. Pretty excited for this one. Haven't ripped Bowman Chrome yet. I've seen it on Dave and Adam's website for cheap, and I just haven't picked it up. So get all these packs together. Oh, and that's nothing else in the box, just cardboard. Well, they double layered this one. So we're looking for a hot box here. So first pack of Bowman Chrome. We got David Fales, rookie, and Taj Boyd, insert. Not numbered. So do inserts over there and rookies over here. LaShawn McCoy and Nashawn Moreno. Base. Okay, so we got Logan Thomas rookie, Carlos Hyde rookie, and a Tom Brady base, and Angela base. Try and save the hit for last, but if we can, then we can't. Terrence West rookie. And we got a nice, I don't know if this is numbered. Nope, but it looks like it's gold in the back. We got Tom Savage die cut rookie. Von Miller and Cameron Wake. Dante Moncrief rookie, Cody Latimer rookie, Jason Witten, and Deion Buchanan rookie. Refractor, I think. Yep, refractor. So I got all these box breaks that I'm going to be doing. I got them from the National. Missed the National already. She Shrunk. Can't really say his name. Sammy Watkins, die cut rookie. Monte Ball and Tavon Austin. Yeah, the National is a great experience for all little kids. My little brother, for example, he's 11, and he absolutely loved it. Aiden McCarron rookie. Zach Stacy and Matt Ryan. But little kids should enjoy the hobby. There's a lot of people getting in the hobby now. It's like really awesome. Taj Boyd, Jeremy Hill rookie die cut, Calvin Johnson and Reggie Wayne. Oh boy, a lot of packs. Alright, Casis Marsh, Dion Bailey, Tony Romo, ooh, and a Julio Jones Pulsar. And this is numbered 144 out of 271. It's a nice looking card. Julio Jones. Andre Williams, Devontae Freeman, Torrey Smith, and Taj Boyd. Oh. Will Sutton rookie, Jadeveon Clowney rookie, Peyton Manning base, and this guy again. I'm not saying his name, so I probably said it wrong. Don't want to look like an idiot on camera. Still haven't found that auto yet. Still looking for this auto. Troy Nicholas, Colt Lila, Geno Smith, and A-Rod. Alright, CJ Mosley. Oh, and here's the auto. Kevin Norwood. Kevin Norwood refractor auto for the Seahawks. Never heard of this guy before. So that's our auto. Eli and Mike Crabtree. Alright, just go through these fast as possible now. Michael Campano, Justin Gilbert, Phillip Rivers, and Jordan Cameron. Out of $2.99. Insert. Alright. Maybe we'll get 2 autos out of here. Who knows? That's what we're hoping for, at least. Jordan Matthews, Kelvin Pryor, Cheeseburger, and Matthew Stafford. Jordan Lynch, Deion Buchanan, Luke Kuechly, and Robert Quinn. This guy, Lorenzo Talafrero, Chase Amaro, Le'Veon Bell, and E.J. Manuel. Refractor. So 2 packs left. Hopefully find an autograph. But out of luck, it's probably not going to be any. Arthur Lynch. Oh, I see gold. Damian Williams, Jamal Charles, Trader, and Dion Bailey, rookie, out of 50. Gold out of 50. 9 out of 50. Trader, Jamal Charles. Unbelievable. I actually that reminds me, I gotta change my photo for my YouTube photo. Aaron Donald, rookie, Josh Huff, Eric Berry's a stud. Eric Berry, and Tyrann Mathieu refractor. So that was it for 2014 Bowman. If any of you guys want, actually, we'll go through the recap. We got the autograph, refractor, the out of 50 gold, E.J. Manuel refractor, $2.99, Jordan Cameron, and this Pulsar of Julio Jones and Taj Boyd. So if any of you guys want one of these cards or any of the rookies that I have, I have a lot of them. But if you want any, just name a rookie, and if you want one, I'll send it out to you for like $1 or something like that. But if you want any of these, just contact me in the comments or message me, and we can make a deal or trade, whatever. So let's get these out of the way, and let's do that BGS Gold Rush. I'm excited for this one. So here we go. Gold Rush 2017. Hopefully for the autograph. So let's see. How did it open? Ooh, and we do get an autograph. 2015 High Tech Shaq Thompson, pristine 10, Beckett 9 autograph. So that's actually pretty good, really good. I don't know if Shaq Thompson's any good, but at a high tech, 10 pristine. So let's add this to the collection of BGS. So now we got 2 autographs. Nice. So if any of you guys want one of these, contact me in the comments and we'll set up a deal. But I hope you guys enjoyed this break. Can't believe we got 10 pristine. That's nice. It's really nice. Nice little looking card too. High tech. Shaq Thompson. Wow. Alrighty, so hope you guys enjoyed, and we'll see you in the next video. Peace.